Welcome to the Carnival Mardi Gras. Join me as I take you for a tour of our extended balcony cabin. Okay, so this is our room at a quick glance. I want to show you the washroom first. It's a little tiny. It feels a little smaller than the older style ships of Carnival, but it does the job. What I like about the XL class ships is that you get the glass door for the shower. If you are a regular Carnival enthusiast, you know the pain of the curtain showers. You do get shampoo and shower gel. The rest you will need to bring yourself. It is a tiny bathroom, not gonna lie. There are 3 of us in the cabin, so we've got quite a bit of toiletries and we have to use the bottom shelf down here, but it is usable. It works. Lots of towels. Across from the bathroom are the closets. This closet space has a full-length mirror. There's also lots of hanging capabilities and shelves. And then this one also comes with your safe. And then some pull-out drawers. The beds. You can get one full-size bed that they kind of just put together, or you can have them separated. We have 3 people in our room, so we do, instead of a couch, it is pulled out and turned into a bed, and it stays that way for the duration of your trip. But if it's just 2 of you, it would be just this one bed or 2 separated beds. You get control of the room lights at the main beds. Each bedside gets a USB plug and a reading light. And then a couple small little shelves for books and whatnot. And across from the couch, we have the desk area. There's this little storage compartment here. You have the drawers, the fridge, a couple shelves, and a mirror with a wonderful ring light. I'll show you the fridge. Okay, and now for my favorite part, the extended balcony. Okay, so this is the balcony. It is an extended balcony, and it is quite nice. I did a little foot test before starting this video, and I noticed it is approximately 10 feet deep, so it is quite nice and beautiful. Today we are in Honduras, so that's the backdrop here. But yes, so you get lots of privacy. There's full walls on both sides, and then you also get full coverage above you. And everyone is in line with you below you. You do get to see a little bit of the Havana area to your side, and then nothing really on the other side. On the balcony, you do get a lounge chair, 2 chairs, and a table. Beautiful.